In this video, I'm showing you how to fix Yahoo not receiving emails. So this issue has been occurring a lot last year. I've not seen any recent accounts of this. If this issue pops up, the main issue is probably incorrect details, or that the sender is blocked, or their email traffic is being redirected to a specific place. Obviously, some first things that we can do, which is look into the spam folder and ensure all of our initial details are correct to ensure that that's not an easy fix. So go ahead and check your spam folder here. So if you go to settings here, so here we can go to addresses you've blocked and ensure that there are no accounts in any of these settings that should not be there. So make sure there's no filters, make sure there's no addresses. That's the first thing. The next thing to do is open a new window and try it there. So before you do that, you want to go down to settings here, clear data and cache history. So go on here, delete that. Also go on to incognito window, which bypasses cookies, information, and extra information. This will help. So if all your details are correct and you're still not getting any emails, there must be a problem. The best thing to do is contact Yahoo support. They offer paid help. The best thing to do is just to create a new account, because obviously something is going weird. If you're putting all your correct details and you're not seeing anything, a reason for that. So Yahoo has a help center. Go onto that, sign in, you can contact them, and you'll have to retrieve it through this way and ask them and talk to a specialist. Talk to a specialist here. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.